Hello everybody, and today we're just going to compare a simple Perl program to a Python program, and I want you to tell me what you think about these two programs. This is a standard input program where you just enter some information and it'll print it back out to you with a little message. So first of all, we're in the Padre IDE for Perl. So we're just going to print this program in Perl first of all. So use the print command, very similar to Python. Again, hello and a message. What's, say, your name? What's your name? There we go. Close it off, and now we have to do that at the end. So it will execute the code. If we don't, we'll get an error. And then we have to use a scalar, a $sign there, name, to identify it is equal to, and here we go, we have to use this stdin, which is standard input. Okay, so that gets the user input, and the user enters their name, and now we're going to print it out with a little message and not in caps lock. So print, and we're going to go for hello plus the name. Okay, so name, $sign name there. Whoops, done that wrong. Okay, so what we do is we just save it. Okay, and let's run the output here. So what's your name? Type in my name, Dave. Okay, hello Dave. There you go, pretty clear there. So I'll just stop that. Okay, let's have a look at the equivalent in Python here. So simply print, again the print command. Let's say hello, what's your name? Okay, there we go. Let's say name is equal to input. Okay, so we're going to put the name in here, name. Okay, so the user will enter the name in there, and then we're going to output it. Print hello. Okay, and again name. Right, so we're just going to save that. Okay, and we shall output that. There we go. Name. What's your name? Okay, I'm just going to simply say Dave. Not Dave 1, Dave. Okay, hello Dave. So we've got the same result there. And if you check it out, these programs are pretty similar, except in Perl we use these scalars which will identify the variable there. In Python we don't have to use them. Also we use these at the end to kind of execute it, whereas in Python we don't. So if you're interested in learning Perl or anything like that, I've got another channel. It's a fledgling channel, it's just started up, and the link is at the end of this video, so you can go and check that out if you want to learn that. And thank you very much for coming along. I hope you liked the video, I hope it was useful. Give it a thumbs up. Remember, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.